There are three reasons your clients coming to invest in real estate that you should stop them. Number one, they want just to do it for hobby. They want to see what's going to happen. They have nothing else to do, so they want to get busy and buying a property and selling it and so on. So stop them at this point. Real estate investment is not a hobby, and you should not treat it as a hobby, or you're going to lose a lot of money. And when you lose a lot of money, they come and blame real estate agents. They didn't stop or help them. They put a blame on you. Number two, there are a lot of people are looking after shiny objects. Now is the trend to buy real estate investment. They like it. Their friends, they did it. So it's their turn to do that. Looks great. They watch some videos on TV and they think they can flip a house like this. And there are a lot of profits there. So it's shiny objects. Stop them right there. And thirdly, they think it's the wheel of luck. And if they get something and they hold to it, then they're going to be millionaires. Stop them right there, because that's not the way we do real estate investment for success. Remember, real estate investment is to build wealth, not to lose or take a chance or wishing or guessing. So this is your task to help your real estate investors to understand how it works and get them right there to the proper investment.